Right, we have this this part. It's come from MST cars, and they want me to reduce the shaded area, leaving 20mm, which it isn't a particularly accurate measurement as far as I'm aware. So we're just going to scribe a line there. That's a bit deep. One of the parallels has fallen down. That would explain that. So we're going to clamp that in the vise. And we're going to use this tool to cut this. Crank it up a bit. Simple job in this case. We could probably do this in 2 passes, but I'm going to take more than that so I can work out what sort of finish we might get. So get a few practice goes. On with the power supply. There we go. Right, 600 RPM. Go till we touch off. Not particularly square. So I'm going to try 5mm. No, I'll try. Let's not be too ambitious. We don't know how it's going to behave. So that's okay. So we're taking off 3mm at 4 inches per minute. Not too bad. We'll try 4mm. see where we are. .92. So we'll take off 3mm again. Clean, and that's good to go. Right, while we're here, turn this power supply off. I've not been making many videos just recently because, well, quite frankly, there hasn't been much interest coming in. I've just done this cylinder head, which needed to be done on the surface grinder because of the see if I can point these out, the pre-chamber inserts are harder than the head, so we can't do it on the mill. And I came up with an idea, and I don't know if anybody else has done this. I should have shown it really. But I bought 4 of these off of Amazon. You know the type of thing, those little magnets. You turn the key and whatever. And what I did is I put these on my surface grinder and used them as risers. Can you see that? You know, put the head on top of there and used them as risers to stick them down to the surface grinder. And then I faced it that way without using clamps and such. So a lot of these heads, this one isn't so bad, sometimes it's difficult to find somewhere to clamp to, and you have to have a bit of a system going to do it. And I found these absolutely brilliant. I've got these, which are the leading brand, and when I was looking for these were quite a bit cheaper. But the reviews on Amazon were saying that they were very weak and virtually useless. Well, that's not true. I found them to be stronger, and they are a little bit bigger, but I found them to be much, much stronger than the leading brand, which are quite expensive. So don't be afraid of buying these things. They've got little tapped holes, so you can make fittings and things for them, and you can do all sorts with them. On a surface grinder, you could use them as stops to push against, or it held this cylinder head down absolutely fine. You're not going to move it. Not when these have got hold of it. Anyway, it worked brilliantly, and I thought I would share that. On another note, I'm in a bit of a mess because there's a lot come in. On here we have, put some light on it. Excuse everything else that's on there, but that's it's a Rolls-Royce head, and there's 4 of them. They've come off a train, but I believe they're an aircraft engine. But it's fitted to a diesel train for the one of the local railways. I won't say which one now, I'll put it in the video when I do it. But I've got these in to go over and sort out. And I've got this Pinto engine. Oops, let me get out the light. As I say, it's been Christmas. Lots of stuff has come in and I haven't really got... yeah, so this Pinto engine's come in. I've started taking a few bits off it. It's supposed to be quite a trick pony. Pinto. Anyway, but it's been fitted to a car and run, and they forgot to put any oil in it apparently. So I'm going to pull it apart and have a look at it. If anybody wants me to film that, let me know in the comments, because I wasn't going to, but I could do. Just let me know. Anyway, as usual, thanks for watching. I know I haven't posted much recently, but nobody wants to see cylinder heads being skimmed one after the other. You want to see different stuff. So there we are. Let me know. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.